This solid-state drive has almost completely replaced traditional magnetic hard drives. It is smaller, more efficient, and more robust. But what has this to do with radiometric measurement? A similar transformation is happening in measurement technology. While vacuum photomultipliers, in short PMT, have been the gold standard for decades now, silicon photomultipliers, in short SiPM, are becoming increasingly important. They are compact, durable, and offer new advantages. So how do they actually work? Let's find out. A silicon photomultiplier consists of many avalanche photodiodes, in short APDs. Each of these diodes captures photons and converts them into electrical signals. The key feature: when a photon hits an APD, it triggers an avalanche multiplication effect. Electrons are separated and multiplied into a measurable signal. A single APD signal would be too weak for many industrial applications. But in a silicon photomultiplier, hundreds or even thousands of those diodes work together to create a signal similar to a PMT. So, silicon photomultipliers combine many small sensors into one highly sensitive measurement system. You want to learn more about measurement technology? Then follow Berthold for more exciting content.